I got a call from a guy I worked for before. Last time I was there, I think I changed a blower fan exhaust, blower fan motor for a furnace. We had a first company unit down in like a crawl space that needed a new fan motor for the AC, and everybody was trying to sell him a brand new system. He only needed a fan motor in there. An older system, but I mean to get him by, and nobody would do it for him. And I put a motor in there for him, and he was happy that I was, that I did what he wanted to do. He didn't want to spend, $20,000 on a new system. He just wanted to, get his other one up and running and get him by. It's just a blower motor. I mean, I don't know, $50 or whatever for the blower motor and capacitor and get him going type of thing. He didn't want to spend all that money. It was an OR22 system. I don't think it was leaking or anything. It was just, a little crusty, but I'm getting a little crusty in my age too, but keep going. Anyway, he's got a problem with a leak, and it's got like a crawl space down there, but it's a poured concrete floor, but it's a crawl space, maybe like got to kind of bend down when you're moving around, maybe 4-foot crawl space area. Says he's got a water leak down there, so I don't think that it's going to do with heating pipes, because he has he's got a first company unit, so he does have baseboard. He does have a boiler there. Anyway, he's not sure if it's the heating pipe or the water pipe that's leaking, but something's leaking down there. We're going to go over there and find out what's leaking and shut it down, fix the leak, and get the water back up and get the water back up in the system or in the piping, and see what the story is. See if we can fix it for him. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots over there. So that's 1.5 PVC going up. Wherever that goes, it's a leaker.
That has to.
It looks like some kind of drain or something.
I would guess it's. Let me see what's above us.
What?
No, the garage is this way.
Yeah, so that's definitely where the leak's coming from.
Huh.
I'm thinking of some kind of chase or something. You got a unit in the attic?
Yeah, we have a unit in the attic.
All right, we're gonna go look at that.
Air conditioning.
This was dripping. We're gonna have to try to push it over so I can squeeze my fat ass in here.
Push it over to
and I gotta shut the water off. I gotta get over there and shut the water off.
Okay. So
This thing's just fucking blowing right in here. This is bad.
So push it.
You found your lost socks here.
I know it.
Yeah, long lost socks. Unbelievable. Sell them on eBay. Alright, so we put new hoses in there. You want to clean this mess out before you slide this thing back in?
Yeah, I'm going to.
Look at that.
I'm going to go down and get.
I mean, I would definitely do something with this.
I'm going to go get.
You're going to have to pull it out once a week and vacuum it out. Holy shit.
I might have to go get my duct tape and see if I
What's behind this thing? Is there a wall behind there or something? Why don't you put the vent through the wall or something and run it up? You can't? What's on the back side of this?
Nothing, just a wall. See, I don't know. This is Matthew's mother's washing machine, so.
All right, well, you and your son can put this back, or you want me to help? You're going to clean this and do it? But
yeah, I'll clean it.
Well, at least that's where the leak was. I mean, I would definitely clean this thing.
I'm definitely going to clean it. And I'll have him...
and if you want to put a, you could hook up that vent. It wasn't hooked up.
No, it wasn't. I pulled it
when I
up.
got here. I don't know. It's not the best setup, but...
So you fixed the leak?
Leak's fixed.
Oh, good. And that's what was happening? Where was it coming down?
It was leaking right from here, drawn into that pan, and that 1.5 inch is hooked to that pan. See it?
Oh yeah.
And it just draining down into the basement. This is second floor, but this is bad.
Yeah, I'll clean this up.
All right, I'm good.
Can't thank you enough.